Let's take a trip to Ben & Jerry's.
Is it worth visiting? Let's find out. Check this place out. This is my first time in Vermont. I'm super stoked.
This is kind of cool. Here's the top 10 flavors from Ben & Jerry's, counting down from 10 to 1. My personal favorite is number 10, which is the Chunky Monkey. Here's what it looks like in the guest area. We have a gift shop over here and just a little bit of a waiting area on the other side. All right, here's the start of our tour. At this point of the tour, we were given some free cookie dough chunks, which were really good. Some of the latest and greatest. Here's a look at the flavor lab where new flavors are constructed.
Oh, really?
And we cap off the visit with the Americone Dream.
So, would you visit this place? Let me know in the comments below.